is the 2nd of October 2020. Here's Visatie 6, like I say, in Savio, Kerava, Uusimaa neighborhood Finland, in Helsinki sports region. We have a very nice Kone here, actually 3 of them, the 3 staircases that are accessible. This one was built in 2002, turning 20 years old in 2022, and it's going to be inspected again. Only 3 floors.
Yeah, staircase B has 4 floors and C also 3 floors.
Yeah. I like the light blue color here. Serial number is H71475. And it's not in the worst possible shape, because I know some Sigma elevators are a bit scratched. Like in Itä Keskus and Strand, they have
Yeah.
the 1999 ones, they're quite scratched. I found one of them. Like you remember I talked about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they're still very nice.
Yeah.
And actually, if they are all accessible, then I'll take 3 in 1.
Yeah, I think after right.
Okay, I'll go.
Yeah, I have Finland and their staircases. Inspected by Savio and maintained by Kone. That's